Alfred Hitchcock would be proud of this. The birds.
Two more. There it goes, there it goes.
Don't let them get you, Cora.
Birds, you see the birds?
Gotta start working. I'm afraid they are going to pee or poop and kids off the pizza.
Well, I mean, that's
They're right over your
I
head.
know, that's what I'm thinking. I'm getting those here before they bomb me.
What do you think about all them birds, Cora? You just want your Sprite. They're all gone. It's all gone, birds. Ain't no more. You're a little late for dinner. They heard it. They heard it was feeding time.
They all had a good bunch of them.
They like them meals they don't have to work for. What are you looking for?
Wow.
You ain't gonna find none in the daytime.
Yeah, it's a big one staying.
Scenery for it. Straight ahead, too. Look, you'll be able to see the ocean.
Tell us where we're going.
Like this. Look this way. Look, you get to this point, look. See the ocean.
That ocean right when you come off the bridge.
Look at the sinking boat still out there. They said it was estimated about $60,000 to get that thing removed. Just hit it.
Is this the one that...
I know what. Oh yeah. No, all the way down there and all the way up at each end there's an inlet that goes out to the ocean. This is the waterway. Yeah, they go out in the ocean to shrimp fish. One of them as far as Gump's boat, but I ain't sure which one it is.
They got all kind of shrimp. They got shrimp balls, they got shrimp potatoes, shrimp bread,
Shrimp salad.
Shrimp gumbo. Oh, you gotta do it like this.
Oh, let me get down here so I can get a better view. Don't fall in. Hey, there's a there's, hey, Karate Kid 6 right there. There's the bridge up there that we crossed. Go over here and see what Dummy's doing.
You're gonna fall in the water.
Now, I'm gonna fall in. Hey, that's how the Karate Kid learned. It worked out pretty good for him. Now, this is the right turn for the bridge.
The water parks will be fun.
I didn't get far in that.
All right, what do you think about it?
This in here is the way to go. The little mats is faster. I can't hold straight up.
Did you ride every one of them?
Can't straight up.
Did you come down?
Yeah, push you backwards.
I'm interviewing you here. Did you come down every one of them?
I sure did.
All right,
Except for too little.
which is the best one?
Lightning. Tornado. Tornado of lightning.
Didn't one of them you come through a tunnel that sprinkled you?
Hey, go up on that layer and get a picture.
Here comes the two water demons.
I don't want to get wet. I don't want to get wet.
You got nothing to say? What is it?
Take me a picture of going down the slide.
He wants to come down the one beside us. Ask him, Adam, ask him, can you go down that one?
people think they see a shark. I'm trying to tell them it's a dolphin. A whale? You out of your mind?
Whatever it is, they're black.
Hey, this is another good episode for educating the stupid. So educate the stupid here. What was that out there, sir?
Still out there.
What is it?
They're black.
Sam,
There's 3 of them, look. There's 3 of them together.
watch you stare at.
There's 3 of them together.
Let's zoom out and see what we can see.
Come back up. Come on. Sit.
Oh yeah, them are orcas. Them are orcas. It was 2 big killer orcas. The camera saw them. The camera does not lie. Oh no, those people are right in. Them killer orcas are going for those people down there. He's gonna have a feast. Let's check in and see what the little ones are doing up here. What are you doing? Huh? You running around the beach? I done got 'em. They're all excited. They're seeing dolphins and trying to say they're sharks. Oh, Cora's pointing. She spotted something.
That's the sharks are black dolphins. No, them things are curly, like sharks. That's why they so many people.
Okay, if you want, there they are. We're gonna zoom in on these so-called sharks.
Look, it's crazy. Look, I seen Adam throw sand over his face. Look, it's right here. Almost right past the way. Look how close. I told you, Oak Island Shark Fest. Look, see how close it is there? Look at that video.
Well,
Stand on it. Right in front of us, Richard.
I don't see them.
Keep your eye out right in front of us. There they are. Right in front of us. Look. Right in front of Becca. Yeah. Get out of the way. I told you, it's short. Look. Look out. We're going behind us. Look, he's not yours. Crazy.
I'm seeing the fin right now.
It's a wave will come over and fall. No way you can feel the wave.
Here they're going beach crazy, running around on this big, wide, sandy beach in front of the lighthouse. Run, Carson, run! Oh, she's running towards the lighthouse. Oh, she wants to show us the lighthouse.